Common mistakes beginner repeat designing too small canvas. Mistake: working on 4x4 or 6x6 inches. Problem: design becomes blurry when enlarged. Best size for: start with 12 by 12 inches or 18 by 18 inches at 300 dpi. Working in wrong color mode. Mistake: using CMYK for digital fabric printing. Result: dull colors on fabric. Best for: use RGB mode unless printer says otherwise. Ignoring fabric type. Mistake: same repeat for cotton, silk, polyester. Reality: each fabric behaves differently. Best print design: bold repeats for cotton, softer, flowing repeats for silk or rayon. Not flattening or cleaning file before sending. Mistake: unnecessary hidden layers, effects. Result: printer errors or color issues. Best for: clean file, merge only required layer. No test print. Biggest beginner mistake. Fix: always take small fabric test print first and then next mistake. Not using layers properly. Mistake: everything on one layer. Problem: hard to edit repeat. Fix: keep motifs, background, shadows on separate layers. All layers used are separate. Motifs cut at edges without planning. Mistake: motifs touching edges randomly. Result: broken or awkward repeats. Fix: place half motifs intentionally on edges. Use guides to align. Overcrowded or too sparse layout. Mistake: too many motifs or too much empty space. Fix: balance spacing. Test repeat on large fabric view. To set the proper repeat, first the motif has to be placed at a random direction or angle according to the space. No matter how he places the motif, he is stuck and doesn't know the correct repeat. The horizontal, vertical space and half drop up-down space for correct repeats are all to be seen. Next mistake is most important: forgetting seamless check before saving. Mistake: saving design without testing repeat. Fix: define pattern, then fill large canvas, or duplicate tiles side by side to check. Visible lines or gaps in repeat. Mistake: edges don't match perfectly, then lines appear after printing. Always check center joins, not corners. These are the common mistakes that a textile repeat designer should keep in mind when best designing you create. Save you! Follow for more textile design learning in Devsha Textile.